Everyone. Here again, we have some a question, and I believe this is on page 402, if I'm not mistaken. But this is actually an example. So this is going to be finding the distance between 2 points. The key thing you want to remember with this is you can use absolute values to find the distance between 2 points that have the same x or the same y coordinates on a coordinate plane. So by now you guys should remember, when it comes to absolute value, for example, if I were to ask you what is the absolute value of -4, right? You would know that the absolute value of -4 is 4, right? If I were to ask you what's the absolute value of 4, that would still be 4, right? So the key thing to remember about absolute value is that it's always positive, right? So let me just erase this so this just doesn't get in the way. And let's get to the question. So now this is asking you what is the distance between point A and point B? So here we have here point A, right? This is point A right here. And this is point B down here. So now we have point A and we have point B. So remember what it says up here. It says that if they have the same X or Y coordinates, right? If they have the same X or Y coordinates, you can go on ahead and solve them. That's a simple way of thinking about this. So as you can see here, look at this. Do we have the same X or Y coordinates for these? Well, yes, we do. And I'm going to circle them in red. So here we have the same X coordinate in this case. So what we're simply going to do is find the solution, find the absolute value of the y coordinates now. Since the x coordinates are the same, we're now going to find the absolute value of the y coordinates and then solve from there. So now, what do we have for our y coordinates? We have 3 and we have -2. Remember, what is the absolute value of -2? That will be 2, right? So in essence, that would be, let's work this out over here. That would be 3. This is the 3 over here. And then if you remember, like I said, absolute value of -2 is 2, which makes it a positive 2. So plus 2 is going to equal, and you guys know this, 5, right? So hope that video helps. So just let me know if you guys need any more help with this. You can leave me some comments on Extra Learning.